Hello and welcome to the Mad Leprechaun. My name is Mert Walsh. I'm with Ash of Custom Fit Guards, and my daughter Tayla and myself are going to get custom fit guards made. Join us after the intro where we get, well, custom fit guards made. I know the sign says custom ear plugs, but they are actually called custom fit guards, okay? I got in touch with custom fit guards 2 or 3 weeks before the motorcycle show in London. So my story starts really 3 weeks before we went to XL. I rang custom fit guards. No one answered the phone, but a little while later they rang me. Every time I've ever sent an email to custom fit guards, I've always had a response within a day or so. What I'm trying to get across is I have found that their communication has been absolutely spot on. Ash was a little bit shy to be on camera, but was more than happy to explain all of the process, describing all the different products that custom fit guards supply, the pluses and minuses of the different products. I think there's about 10. Walked us through filling in the forms and told us basically the different options for speakers, filters. Ash also helped Taylor and I decide which custom fit guard product would be most appropriate for us. So Ash had a quick look in Taylor's ear canal just to make sure everything was okay. My daughter was completely deaf in her left ear and had an implant put in. So the conversation kind of went along, could you see the implant? And funnily enough, he could. Taylor is no longer deaf in her left ear, thankfully. So now she would like to protect the hearing that she's got whilst working in noisy environments. And so the fun bit. Ash got to fill my daughter's ears with lots of grey silicone. It takes an impression of the inside of Taylor's ear. And it meant she couldn't talk for like 10 minutes. Only joking. It wasn't 10 minutes. It was much, much shorter than that. But there you go. So the impressions come out of Taylor's ears. And the impressions are popped into a little zip tie bag and brought away with Ash back to the lab so he can make the ear defenders for Taylor. This is basically what we did for Taylor a minute ago, but I said I'd look over Ash's shoulder and he would explain basically what is going to end up in my ear.
So essentially these are just little foam stops. These go in your ear. We put them in what we call past the second bend of your ear. So these are just to prevent the silicone obviously going, anywhere close to your eardrum. So we don't want that to happen. So we put these in your ear. And we just tie a little knot just to make sure they come out nice and easy as well. Right, that's that.
Form filled in. It's my glamorous assistant today. So I refuse to put my glasses on sometimes and I can't actually see what I'm doing.
Right. We'll have a quick look down your ears, make sure everything's all okay. You know what, you both have very clean ears, which is a good start.
And yours, my ears knew they were going to be on camera today.
How's that feel? Okay?
In case you're wondering, Ash has just placed one of the little foam stops into my ear.
So would you say these are most popular with motorcyclists, or do you get lots of different?
It's a good mix between motorcyclists and people who shoot. So they're the most popular products we sell. We sell obviously products for sleeping as well, products for industrial use like yours. But yeah, most of our customers are for either shooting or for motorcycling. We do our biggest shows that we go to are the motorcycle live shows.
Yeah.
They're the most busiest ones that we do. We do go to some shooting shows as well. We're doing one next week at the NEC. But yeah, motorcyclists are our main customer base.
Yeah, I think shooting's another thing I do that, and I normally have just the foam plugs because I find the ear defenders can be uncomfortable.
I think the two main reasons people go for custom earplugs for shooters anyway is the shotgun, the butt, the stock hitting against the earplugs, either that or during summer when it gets really hot.
You don't want,
it's really
sweaty, yeah.
So that's from my experience anyway. That's what
definitely.
a lot of customers tell me. But yeah, I mean, we even do swimming products. So if you go swimming, we have a certain product for that.
So is that so obviously some people can't get water in their ears, so are they sort of watertight?
It's basically a complete block. So block out as much
as you can.
Well, as much as you can.
Yeah.
There's no it's basically a solid block of silicone, essentially, but molded to your ear. But yeah, we do quite a few different products. It's
so
quite
you've
a
got
broad range.
4 here for which you're recommending for motorcyclists.
Yeah.
So do you know how many different products you offer overall?
So overall, okay, so
I'm testing you now.
Yeah, you're testing me now. So 4 for motorcycling, I'd say 4 for shooting as well. 1 for industrial, 1 for swimming. I think 11, 12 products in total.
So quite a few.
Yeah, quite a few. I mean, the main difference between the motorcycling ones and the shooting ones are with the motorcycle products, they're made out of a softer silicone at the tip.
Right.
So obviously if you're doing long journeys, you want it to be as comfortable as possible.
Yeah.
So if you can see, like on the tip of them, it's quite there's a clear tip.
Yes.
Whereas with the shooting products, it's one solid colour.
Okay. So that's two materials.
2 different types of silicone.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, only for long journeys. So it's just going to be as comfortable as possible. Whereas obviously if you're shooting, it's not like you're shooting.
You've got them in for maybe
3,
10
4,
minutes,
exactly,
and then you whip them back out to talk to people. Yeah, exactly. What about your sleek ones? Are they the same soft?
So
again?
yeah, exactly. So the material that the motorcycle ones are made of, the tip, the sleeping ones are made of the same material.
Entirely, okay.
So it's just as comfortable as possible. So if you're sleeping on your side, you're not going to have any issues of discomfort or anything like that.
Yeah, I've had sleep plugs before that they either come out and then you've woken up because they've come out, or you can find you roll onto your side and you feel like someone's shoving something in your ear. So no, that's. Do you find the? So I'm a AirPods user.
Yeah.
Do you find that people go for the speakers quite a lot in their AirPlugs?
Yeah, I mean for motorcyclists,
yeah.
So I mean I've even had a couple of customers who use them just for if they go to the gym, or if they
can only hear their own music.
Exactly, or if they like to go on walks and stuff like that. So not always motorcyclists will go for it. Some people just want them like an everyday thing, just to go out and just use them as headphones, basically, just normal headphones.
Perfect.
But yeah, those are dry. They should be dry now. Let's have a look.
The longest 3
There
minutes
you go.
of my life.
Was it not peaceful? I find it quite peaceful, no? It's quite relaxing.
So that was the London Motorcycle Show on the 16th of February. On the 29th of March, I received this box with my custom fit guards in. On the back of the box, there is instructions how to put them into your ears in case you don't know how. Inside the box, there was a little black pouch with my custom fit guards in. I've forgotten how to undo a zip. So my custom fit guards, they do come color coded. One is red and one is blue, and I'm not talking about the main body, but the actual little dots. But I actually asked Ash if he would make one orange and one blue, because I'm like that. Inside the little pouch there is a little tool for cleaning the ear defender. There's a little hole just in there, and that cleans out the debris from the hole. Oh yes, so Ash was talking about the clear silicone. You can just about see the clear silicone, so that's softer than the main body. I'll show you how I put them in, and then I'm going to go for a bite. How much my hand is going to obscure. Right, I just thought I would come out and do a little road test on my new custom fit guards. First impressions, and I've literally just put them in, is very, very good. They fitted into my ears really good. In fact, when I put the helmet on, it almost feels like I don't have any ear defenders in my ears at all. But clearly I do, because the wind and the general noise outside of my crash helmet has reduced. So I have to be careful not to shout. Do what Barry's got. Yeah, very impressed. I am so pleased that I decided to get the custom fit guards made. They fit really well. I know that they're in there, but even after a prolonged period of time being in my ear, both of them, I don't have them in one ear, I have them both ears, but after a prolonged period of time of being in my ears, I have absolutely no pain, no discomfort. Easy to pop in, nice storage case when they're not in, and easy to remove when you get to the other end. So yeah, I've had them in and out of my ears 2 or 3 times over the course of the day, and I've been riding since 10 o'clock this morning. Yeah, very impressed. Hello and welcome to Leprechaun Villas. So 2013 I had these custom made. They're not custom fit guards. They are an ear defender of some sort, but they did actually do really quite good. Yeah, they were comfortable pretty much for quite a long time. They do say, however, that your ear changes shape about every 5 years, so you should have new ones of these made every 5 years. I didn't, clearly. Anyhow, last year I thought I would get myself some new ear defenders. And I went down to XL Motorcycle Show, and a company, not custom fit guards, a company made these ear defenders for me free of charge. I made a video about the making of these ear defenders, and I shall put the link in description below. Now, I've had these ear defenders for a year. Now, you can hear me talking in the video, and I'm saying that the new ear defenders don't give me any pain or discomfort. These ear defenders were like trying to put sandpaper into my ears after 2 or 3 days of riding in Spain and France. So because I've been riding for long periods of time, obviously sweaty, waxy, kind of whatever happens inside your ear, inside your helmet while you're riding along for a long period of time, they became almost unbearable to get into my ears. Which made me go back down to XL and buy, and I did actually buy. I paid for, and to be honest, at the moment I'm really pleased. I know I've just shown in the video 2 short rides. One short ride just to give them a bit of an idea of how they felt underneath the crash helmet, and the other ride was pretty much all day. I'd been out since 10 o'clock in the morning, and I think we got back home about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I have to say I am super impressed. And yes, I paid with my own hard cash for both mine and my daughter's. So there you go. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't enjoyed this video for any particular reason whatsoever, please feel free to leave a thumbs down. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. And then that way, I shall see you in the next one. Until next time, people, look after yourself. Bye-bye.